Today's adventure, whether with family or friends, is going to be a great day on the water. You're ready. Nothing will get in the way. Not even the sun, with the PTX Power Shade, designed for boats under 26 feet, the first on the market. Protecting you from the sun by simply pushing a button. It just can't get any easier. Finally, Power Shade for hardtops and soft T-tops. You can take the throttle up a notch or two. The Power Shade stays put up to 40 miles per hour. Easily store the shade with a matching integrated boot. Choose from 4 fade-resistant canvas shades and 4 standard widths. Keep the fun going as long as you want. The PTX SureShade Power Shade keeps you protected from dawn to dusk. Here's to your next adventure. SureShade has you covered.